Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to share with you 5 skills you can learn to make money during this ASU strike. The number 1 skills you can learn is product design. Product design is simply the designing of website interface, mobile app, and everything that surrounds it. These people are really making money, and learning this skill will be a great idea. The number 2 skills you can learn is web design. You don't need to learn how to code before you can design a website. You can learn how to use platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, Joomla, Magento to design websites for clients, and you're gonna make a lot of money from that. So the number 3 skill is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. It's very easy way to make money. All you have to do is to tell people about a particular product or brand, then you make money from the commission you earn on that particular referral. So the number 4 skills you can learn is content writing and marketing. Content writing is not going to end very soon because we human do consume content every day, and different companies, different people, they need content on their platform, on their website, on their business. So if you learn how to write content, if you learn how to market content, there's chances that you're gonna make a lot of money. So the number 5 skills you can learn is SEO. SEO simply means search engine optimization. SEO is a way we rank websites, so that it can appear at the top of Google results, and people will be able to click and interact with a particular product, brand, or website. So if you really learn SEO, is going to pay you a big deal because companies are investing on these skills. So these are the 5 skills that I think you can learn in this 3 months to make money online. If you like to watch video like this, kindly click to follow, like, share, and comment. Let me hear what you think. I'll be shooting videos like this always, so do follow me to enjoy premium content like this. Catch you next time, bro.